Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be riding around on the 50cc because obviously the mini bike is broken and the go-kart, my backyard is currently torn apart. Yeah, the gravel's here and my yard is torn apart right now, so yeah, there's no backyard riding for a little bit now. So I lost a clip, but basically I bought this fix-a-flat stuff from Walmart for $18. All you have to do is shake it up and then you twist it on and you ride it around for about 3 to 6 kilometers and then it basically hardens. So we're going to test it out because we have a flat tire. So before we go, we're going to fill it up with a little bit more of this fix-a-flat stuff. It's cheaper than buying a new tube and it fills up a couple much. It holds pretty good, but I think I could put some more in there. Let's see. I'll show you guys. Like overfill it really. Oh no, that does not look good. I don't like the look of that. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so the milk kind of leaked a little bit, but you're supposed to ride it around right away, so I'm gonna start it up and get moving. Okay, we got it all started up. We're gonna go take it for a little drive now.
fucking crashing. Oh. Every fucking time. God damn it. Fuck. Damn, no. Nope.
I would say the fix-a-flat definitely helped a lot. I mean, it made the tire really sticky. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean, but it does look like it's holding a lot better than it was. And this stuff was only $18 at Walmart. Well, a tube for the bike is like 22, and with chipping it's even more. So I would say if it's a small puncture, definitely a cop. That's the end of today's video, guys. Nothing crazy today, but make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe while you're at it for more videos like this. I'm very appreciative of the support recently. Almost at 300 subscribers, and yeah, peace.